Hello guys. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing a brand new recipe with you, and trust me, this one is super easy. Even if you burn water, you can make this. So, first things first, we have to peel the pears. I'm using 1 sheet of pastry and 6 pears. You can buy everything at any supermarket, no treasure hunt required. I always keep pastry sheets in my fridge because, you know, friends plus coffee equals emergency baking time. Once your pears are peeled, cut them into small pieces. The smaller they are, the easier they'll fit into the pastry. As you can see in the video, mine are ready, so now it's pastry time. Here's my pastry sheet, yours might be a different size, and that's totally fine. I cut the sheet in half horizontally, and then in half vertically, so I end up with 8 pieces. Just grab a knife and go for it, carefully, we want pastries, not first aid. Next, beat 1 egg. We'll use it like edible glue to help the pastry close up nicely. Now back to the pears, I'll add a little cinnamon, use as much as you like. I'm adding just a tiny bit. Then I sprinkle in a little sugar. If you like it sweeter, go wild. Mix everything well and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Now I place the pastry pieces on a baking tray lined with baking paper. My oven is not very big, so I can only fit 6 pastries at a time, small oven problems. Time to add the pears. Place the fruity mixture from one corner to the other, just like you see in the video. Brush the edges of the pastry with the egg, no need to paint the whole thing. Then pinch the corners together and create your own beautiful design. Maybe yours will look even better than mine. If yes, leave a comment so I can be jealous later. Brush the tops with more egg so the almonds stick nicely. Look how easy that is. Repeat with all the pastries. Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Check them after 25 minutes, your oven might have its own personality. Once they're cool enough, sprinkle icing sugar on top. This makes them look fancy, festive, and like you slaved away for hours, when in reality, you didn't. Perfect. Your friends, your kids, your family, everyone will be impressed. And if they're not impressed, don't give them any. More pastries for you. Now, I'm trying one with you guys. This is actually my first time baking this recipe too, so we're on this adventure together. And, okay. It's delicious. Make a second batch immediately, delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you'll try this recipe at home. Have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your neighbors, your dog, your dentist. Everyone deserves good pastry. All the best, and see you in the next video.